Hi CMH friends, I am Ramona Williams, the Alexander Specialist here at Children's Museum Houston. Thank you for joining me today for this episode of the Early Childhood Corner, sponsored by Catherine G. McGovern and the McGovern Foundation. So today, as we always do, we're going to look around your home to find some items that we can turn into fun, learning activities for your little one. So be sure to watch this video in its entirety because I will also give you a book recommendation as well as wonder words and tips to extend the learning. Today we're going to make a giant butterfly for Juneteenth. Butterflies symbolize change, renewal, hope, endurance, courage to embrace the transformation to make a better life. Juneteenth commemorates the end of slavery in the United States and is observed annually on June 19th. On June 19th, 1865, enslaved African Americans in Galveston were finally told they were free. This was 2.5 years after President Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation. The time had arrived for the enslaved to now begin the process of embracing the transformation in hopes to have a better life. So today we will be making giant butterflies for Juneteenth. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need for today's activity: construction paper, large size construction paper. Today I'm using black and green. Also an empty paper towel roll. You can also use empty wrapping paper roll if you have some. Then Elmer's glue, scissors, wiggly eyes, pom-poms, clothespins, a marker or multiple markers, and I am using for my decoration straws that have been cut up. So first we'll start with decorating the body of our butterfly. I like to do polka dots, so I'm going to do some polka dots all over its body in random places, and whatever floats your boat, whatever makes your toddler happy when they are at the point where they are decorating the body of their butterfly, let them do it. They can do words. This will be a great point to do positive words on the body of the butterfly. I really like that idea. Or they can do their name, other shapes, numbers, whatever makes them happy. So here I have decorated the body of my butterfly. We're going to set that to the side. Now we're going to take our clothespins and we're going to put pom-poms on each end of the clothespin using a little bit of Elmer's glue. So this does take a little bit of time to dry, so that's why we're doing this part first. Now on the opposite end, we're going to put some more Elmer's glue and we're going to put our wiggly eyes. So now we have our wiggly eyes, which I think are so adorable. And these have eyelashes, which makes them extra cute. So here you have your two pom-poms and your eyes. Now, very simple. You want to take this, being careful because it's not dry all the way, and you want to open up your clothespin and put it on the body of your butterfly. Do the same thing, and it's okay if it moves a little bit because we're going to set it to the side in a second. Set it to the side in a second for it to dry. Now we're going to make wings for our butterfly. You need two different colors because you'll have outer wings and you'll have inner wings. I'm going to use a green for my inner wings. No, I'm going to use a green for my outer wings. So I have two pieces of construction paper together. I want to fold them in half. Okay, I'm going to also go ahead and fold my inner wings in half as well and just set that to the side. Now what we want to do is take our scissors, and I just freehand this. What I like to say is, after I have cut straight, I do a wave. So I'm going to wave, make a big wave on the inside. And let me tell you a tip while I'm cutting this is to prepare the wings, maybe while you have your kiddos sitting down eating lunch. And so you can have it ready for them. And I'm also going to do another wave, so going down from the corner and back up. And where we won't cut is on the crease of the butterfly wing. Set the extra to the side, and then when you open it up, you'll notice you'll have 2 wings. Okay? So now we'll go ahead and glue those, so by the time we are ready to work with them, they have dried together. So I'm putting glue and gonna glue them together. Nope, they're a little off, but that's okay. And I'm gonna set them to the side. Don't fly away. Now, here's the thing. Whenever I do my second set of wings, I want to do the inner wings, I want to do them a little bit smaller, okay? So I would probably take them in about 1 inch smaller than my outer wings. And I'm going to wave it around again till I get to the corner, and then do the same thing. I'm going to do another wave in and out. And remembering not to cut on the crease. Put the extra to the side, and I can open up my wings, and now I have a smaller inner wings that I will also glue together, and then we'll put it on top of our outer wings. So here we go. Glue, real simple. And let me say this, all you're doing as mom or grandma is helping your toddler with the cutting part. They can actually do all of the rest. So here I have set my inner wings on top of my outer wings, and I want to glue. I'm going to glue them all down. And something I like to do as well is to take it and fold it in half, just so that there is a crease in the middle. My butterfly is coming to life. She is coming to life. And the next thing I want to do is, now I have my body. I think it's missing something. What do you think is missing? I think it's missing a mouth. We're going to put a mouth on our butterfly body. A big old smile. Oh, there it is. She has come to life. So you want to put your butterfly body in the middle, using, yet again, some Elmer's glue. And you want to hold it there. I like to tilt these out just a little bit. Oh, I won't do it now because I want to make sure that it stays and it dries up. So now you can see our butterfly, giant butterfly, coming to life. And the last thing, and this is where your toddler might take a little bit more time, but we want them to enjoy the process. You're going to allow them to just put glue, decorate their butterfly however they want to. I have here straws that have been cut, and so now I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to place it on my butterfly just randomly. Different colors to make it pop. Let's see, I'm going to pour it out here. So different color, whatever makes them happy. If you have pom-poms at home, that would be good. I did another example in which I use tissue paper, different colored tissue paper. I cut out hearts, and I did circles, and I did squares, and it was super, super duper cute. We're almost done, and they can color it however they want to, or decorate it however they want to, or they can even use words and put around it like hope, or love, or peace. And these will be great words that you can actually talk about with your toddler. So I want to recommend that you read the book Juneteenth from Maisie by Floyd Cooper. Also, some wonder words: courage, hope, positive, peace, and freedom. And lastly, when you are doing your butterfly, something else to add other than the straws or maybe the other things that you find around your home are positive words. Words that are positive, and have conversations. How does it make you feel? And why is it important to maybe speak those positive words to other people who may be different from who you are, and how that might make them feel, and how it might make you feel also by using those words to describe other people. Okay, that is all the time that we have for today, but I hope you enjoyed this activity and learning a little bit about Juneteenth. I am Ramona Williams. I can't wait to see you here at the museum, and when you do come, make sure you stop by and wave hi to me. That is all I have for today. Have an amazing day.